Okay, everyone, how you doing today? It's your girl D. Um, so we're talking about cleaning. I'm talking about cleaning. So when you have an old sink and it may start to be showing some mildew, you might want to pop off. Okay, so that's gooky, that's icky. If your landlord's not going to jump and come and replace it immediately, get some CLR, clean that, let it sit for a little bit, then scrub it with the old toothbrush and it'll get rid of that gook for a while. But even if you want to take some of your own money, you can get a faucet for under, sometimes under 60 bucks and replace it because it's old. And with the crevice around it, you can clean up, but you really need like a crevice cleaner. And you can grab that. I have a link inside of one of my descriptions and I'll relink it. And has a crevice cleaner in there. But see, sometimes it starts to build up lime, and that's just from old age and water usage, right? And water getting up on the sink. And so don't be afraid to clean it. Put some gloves on, go buy some CLR, clean it. You can start with some vinegar and water and some hydrogen peroxide. Mix that together with a little warm water and even squeeze a little lemon in there. Let it sit for a little bit in a squirt bottle and then squirt it, let it sit, and then clean it with the old toothbrush, okay? And then with the sink stopper, it's dirt, it's old. Actually, it's not that old. It's just been in the way of me dyeing my hair. And so now it has black spots on it or brown spots on it. But these are great. You can find those at the dollar store or wherever you shop and get them because they will save you from dropping earrings, makeup, that is thin enough to go right down the sink that you're gonna have a shit fit about if you can't grab it right. I've done it more times than I care to count. But so here's a tip and trick. So these are gonna be replaced, and then I'll show a follow-up video of the new faucets when they're put into place. But again, if you can afford to buy them yourself, go ahead and do so. And then make sure if you're doing a DIY that you know the steps. You make sure you turn the water off first. If not, have the maintenance man come, let the landlord know that you bought some replacement faucets and you like to have them put in, and then deduct that from your rent. Show video picture of the old mildewy faucet like I'm showing you right now. Mine are going to be replaced by my owner, and this is just from years of usage. My home was built in the 80s. I've been here for about 9 years and it's just built up. You clean it, but then it comes back and it's just due for a switch out. And since I have a double sink, they're both just due. This one, I can't get the top to pop off. It's kind of just stuck into itself. But again, when your sink or your faucet is just old and it's growing lime or mildewy, even though you clean it, just reach out to your landlord or maintenance person and let them know. Take a video of it or a picture and let them know, it's time to have it replaced. And the same with your tub. Sometimes they will come and resurface it, which will make it good as new. And I had to do that for a rental, so that's how I know. But and that was like 600 bucks. So sometimes it's cheaper just to go ahead and resurface it, have somebody come that knows what they're doing, as opposed to buying a brand new tub. So don't always think if you invest in a rental property that you have to go buy a brand new tub, immediately. See if you can have it resurfaced and if the resurfacing makes sense to you, and then do comparisons, look at other people. I don't know if you're going on Craigslist. I don't even know if Craigslist still is a thing, but if you're going on TaskRabbit, all those things, look at a few people before you just take the first person and see, in comparison if it makes sense. So anyway, here's a tip and trick. Like I just said, go grab some CLR, or I don't care what brand. I'm not representing any specific one, but that will get rid of the mold, mildew, and it should get rid of some of the lime buildup. Just read the directions and read what it says it will do. It has been a great go-to for me with the cleaning the shower. I have a glass shower door, and when you first move in somewhere, you think, oh my God, this is so beautiful. It is, but when you have to keep up, the maintenance, it gets to be taxing. But I can tell you, because I don't mind cleaning up things. Like I told you, I'm great with organization and cleaning up my house. Okay, this is just wear and tear. Like I said, this house was built in the 80s. I've been here for 9 years, and over time I've cleaned and cleaned and cleaned, and then the mildew continues to come back. It's just kind of absorbed in there. So go ahead, wait for the next video, and have a great day. Bye.